Welcome back to Morning Rush at 6:25. Several claims are popping up online as we get closer and closer to a potential COVID-19 vaccine. There have been questions about whether states have the authority to mandate vaccines and enforce them with fines or jail time. Our Verify team breaks it down.
On social media, there's a lot of talk about a COVID-19 vaccine. And the Verify team just wants to make sure we're sticking to the facts. Maybe you've seen posts online claiming that states can fine or jail you if you refuse a vaccine. So let's verify. Do states have the authority to fine or jail you under a 1905 Supreme Court decision?
My name is Lawrence Gostin.
My name is Peter Myers.
Here are our sources. Law experts from the George Washington University Law School and Georgetown University's Law Center both pointed us towards that landmark 1905 decision, Jacobson v. Massachusetts.
I think that case is still good law, even though it's like over 100 years old.
Here's the background of the case. In 1902, Cambridge, Massachusetts passed a regulation which required residents to get a vaccine for smallpox, threatening a fine for those who didn't. A man named Henning Jacobson refused to get the vaccine, taking the case all the way to the Supreme Court. In the end, the court ruled that these mandatory vaccinations and punishments are allowed under law. Our expert, Gostin, says that this decision has since been validated numerous times.
States are empowered by the Constitution to mandate vaccinations.
But our experts emphasize, even though this would be legal, it remains unlikely.
That's not how we enforce vaccine laws today. There are no criminal statutes in the states mandating children or adults get the flu vaccine, for example.
Our experts also point out that there would be some meaningful exemptions. People who have medical issues like an allergy or a low immune system. Plus, most states have added exemptions for people with religious or philosophical objections to vaccinations. But generally speaking, we can verify states do have the authority to mandate a vaccination and fine and jail you if you refuse it.